Okay, Yama Obibia Akwa once again. And Fambra, the Madiba official shows as you could be ma. Yadi Jumadino Ede Bram in a grand style. And now the 12th day of October of in the year 2021 year. Nessa Yedia Fe and Nenso Aqua Mauda Intiadia and Agopon say or de Afe Bako. Area coming Fiono Atibako and the film online. And Tiene Agopon say Agopon I be free. And we drew an in go point ya dom and I said that and a day Emma Yagopon oh na Vesopa and a home by body aboina for a few minutes amandi ya febak edaka if you think said I make a chairman and they seem kunya idea Ghana Black Stars or Adium Ejina Kono into a Black Stars Ejina Kono into Emma game uncle without say yeah the people ever bro be of him Madiba official channel until that media there's also subscribe Ebeka Ebusi can give any video piano now on Etimeganti without wasting my time now. Yen delve much more into the game. Yami Adoma and then 1 o'clock that's 13 o'clock GMT in a game everything so Ewa ideas Mbawa Hin Krevent Harari on a side game no everything so now where the first leg now Ghana you winning by 3-1 Thomas State Party Andrea you and Kudus Asher the 3 goals Edema Ghana after saying leg Masona Asher the penalty I'm game 1-1 no who were that game very critically in the first half no and man, the Ghana for the Brena and web the Black Stars and how the game will pan out in today's game because who were the first leg and the first half to be precise, who's the Ghana control game Emma for me for the first time in many years. Who's the Ghana Blasters elbow game up? Who said there's a party of play for the Stars? Ghana elbow game, who's the Ghana game I bono. Yeah, the ball air farm, yeah, the ball air farm, game I bono, had the ball and I'm moving at you. But idea when I do give a course on now. Yeah, Musane man Chelsea Nigeria and a knee. A bit now back into the blast of the second half from who has Zimbabwe early the second back into the game. But he had a Milo HRS, but tactics were very good and he had a tactical know-how. And to where the changes so every draw is out of Fatal Efimo. And they have brand defense Idris Baba Ebamum. And now push it particular in him. No, the Andrea you echo Isaku Dabron and Charles coach. He knows how to read the game and make changes when the need arises. And that tactical twerking or making Emma Ghana, yet also every game long by 3 goals for me. I think it's a game now about Milo Abaso, and this is a different ball game altogether. Don't forget in the first leg, now a idea as Mabu Air like in the service of Kama Biliata. I've always said this time that number on each and every platform. They said, Open one of the best players on the local continental. Wonka. Now we Kama Billiard Ancient of any Bogava Kaiser Chiefs. All those people Kaiser Chiefs from Mallory Sanders, they form on and off, but he's still a super quality player. Won't me end out when you doubt him at your own peril. And in the Kama Billiard but now it's even non only knowledge Mosona anyone na the mother Stars defense of it control. Jikuni Mensa and the Kama Billiard Ebekana and Nano Maros that come from actually like a crabby or the middle of the park. No, not this a team for me. On bet my goal track at Magana. This is for me the test time. I say the Black Stars coach, Papa Milo of Rivage, everything I pass it because the first leg and a home game. No, each and every coach be able to new manager the first match up. We see that enthusiasm, we see that zeal, we see that determination from the players. But as the game goes on any time where them and the Ghana Blasters have recent years in away games, you're quite retired now. Why? And now they could lose Sudan, you're going to lose South Africa. And to where even a call even little Comoros player at the mind. Till let's see how this game will pan out. So they Ghana team put game a boy and now in the Capital Sports Stadium for me know the Black Stars are back. And this is a game that Ghana cannot afford to lose. Because in this group already South Africa are 10 points. Having played 4 matches, I win 3, I draw 1. Their last game, South Africa team and local players Ashemuma Echo winning by 3 goals to 1 against their Southern African counterpart, Ethiopia. And they are at Nephi, Aboye the Echo away. And it means that more 10, Ghana so on 9 points from 4 games player, winning 3. And they are there 1 game, acquire a gamer, and they Ghana lose to Eritrea or my friend South Africa. And to West Side game where all things being equal. Sorry, South Africa held 7 points from the 3 games of Metimia Bono. 7 points, I win 2. 1 against Ghana, 1 against Ethiopia, and I draw 1 against Zimbabwe. Ghana, yes, we need 2 matches. Yeah, we need first game against Ethiopia. Now against my friend say Zimbabwe. And you lose back against South Africa in the group now. Ghana, it was 6. South Africa was 7. But now I was looking from this trajectory, say, both here. Ghana, we never got 9 points. We never got 10. Into this, a game that Ghana cannot afford to lose. So the man can now know where the defense now, Zimbabwe team any other strong. And Kamaldeen Sulemana, out of Fatawi Isaku, Jordan Ayew. These are mobile strikers. Once they are more telepath that understand the cohesion and all the Jordan Ayew go. But he laid off the ball for Brandon Fence Kudus to get the first goal for my friend Ghana. So for me, I think say over this team, now where how Ghana has been playing, over how Ebo and Nano over that telepathic understanding between the front three, Kamaldeen Suleiman, and then the former Norway All-Star Rene, and they PM into the Black Stars now. For me, I think say this will be a game as all these key players, the key components, no more a gamer. The Zimbabweans will not have a match for us, or not be a match for us. But Kobane said a one-off, and I be a that's when I want to see the individual brilliance from the players. Players like Partey and the Partey or a leader on the field of play. That's why not having the captain. Andrew Ayew has always been the leader that we always create for every although at times ne born and I the kind of status quo now and they want me about it for himself for me he is still a super leader on the field of play. So when the going gets tough, they have to make sure they drag the bull by the horn and get the result for the Black Stars. Game bad in there. But the medical cannot. They showed a little bit of sign of something good to come. And for me, this is a game I want to see them taken very well. Maka kama billiards banner or banner. Maros that can ban last game no. Terrain you command jama amo game ni bidye. But for me, I think these players have come on the field of play and play and move everything at the Amaye. But this a game that I don't expect Ghana to lose. But the worst for Ghana will be a drawn game. This is the Madiba official channel. So show us love. Share your door. Subscribe. Never care about any video piano. Now we'll search me. Make you for now. Say adios, gracias, muchas. Lorian de Sapi Factor. Bye bye.